Hello and welcome back to GoHighLevel Mastery course. This is Stan from Zortlogics. In the previous videos, we learned how calendars work and how to set them up correctly. In this video, we are taking the next important step, connecting GoHighLevel calendars with workflows. Calendars book appointments, but workflows make them intelligent. This is where confirmations, reminders, follow-ups, and no-show handling actually came from. Let's jump to the screen and turn simple bookings into fully automated system. We have created this calendar in a previous video, test round robin calendar. Today we will try to connect this calendar with the automations and other features of GoHighLevel. So let's get started. Let's go to automations. We will create a new folder and a new automation for this. Create a folder. And in this folder we'll create a workflow, and these are some pre-built templates. You can play around with these and you will get to know how automations work in GoHighLevel. I would recommend you go through this, but right now we will start from scratch. We will enable the autosave. Okay, so first of all we would name it. You can name it whatever you want and select the trigger. So if we write appointments, there are triggers related to appointment status, or customer booked appointment, or service booking. We would go with customer booked appointment. Customer booked appointment means when a customer booked an appointment from this page. Let me show you that. From this page, outside of GoHighLevel, when the appointment is being booked, it means customer booked appointment. There are some other ways to book an appointment as well. If we go to calendars, you can click on this new button and you can book an appointment. There are other ways as well. If we go to contacts page, go to any of the contact, these are the appointments, click on this add appointment and you will be able to book an appointment with this contact as well. So all of these actions will not be applicable in this scenario. This scenario is only for the appointment being booked from this page. So we're going to select this and then we will add a filter. Select the calendar. In calendar, test round robin. It narrows down the trigger. It means this workflow will not get triggered on the appointment being booked on any other calendar. Only on this calendar, whenever the appointment is booked, this workflow will be triggered. So we're going to save it. So the trigger has been added. You can add a new trigger as well if you want. And then we will go to actions. In actions, the most common scenario is to send a confirmation message. So first of all, we will send an email. We will write an email. We will get help from ChatGPT to write an email. So this will give us a copy of an email. We will paste the body. We cannot paste it as it is. We'll have to change them. For example, client name, these are the custom values that we will use in the email. So from this, the contact first name means whichever contact is added into workflow. The question is, which contact will be added into this workflow? The contact who has booked their appointment. So we have got the data. What is his first name? So we can get all the data from this button. Whenever we click on that, we will get to this database and we can fetch any data that we want. And now we want appointment details. And one critical thing is the appointment details will only be fetched when a contact is being added into this workflow by this trigger, the customer booked appointment trigger. Otherwise this is not fetchable. Okay, so date means appointment, start date, and similarly we'll go to this appointment, start time, location or platform, meeting location. I don't think we need this. The purpose, we can add that, but for now we'll skip that. User email. User means the user that has been assigned. Then full name, user name, and for company we would go with company. It is account name. This will be your business name. Add a website, account website. So this will look like this. I will show you how it will look like in real time. Whenever we book an appointment, it will use exact appointment details and everything that we have embedded into this email copy. It will be a real time data. So we will hit save, and we can add this action name whatever we want for our convenience. After that, we will wait for 24 hours. Wait has three main types: time delay, event or appointment time, event, service booking, or overdue. So we will use this event or appointment time for this. Okay, so you gotta read this carefully. When we select before, it means before the appointment. So how much time before we want to send the SMS or email? So if we want to send an email 20 hours before the exact meeting time, we will select 24 hours. So exact 24 hours before, this action will be triggered. And these are three critical things. If the timing of this wait step is already in the past, for example, if a contact has booked an appointment and the appointment is not 24 hours away, it has already passed this step. So what should do right now? So we have selected skip all outbound communications till the next wait or even start date creation. Or we move to the next step, move to the specific step. We can select a step if we want to select this. I think we should select this, move to the next step for this. It will be more suitable. Okay. And we can name it wait 24 hours before. It will help us read the workflow from outside. You don't need to click on this to see what is inside this. And then we will send another email. And for now, I will ask it to simply, we're gonna copy this. We can keep it as it is, and now copy the body. Yeah, I think this one is more suitable. Add it over here, and similarly we're gonna update these: first name, date, appointment, start date. And you can test it right away if we write the email, but I don't think so we can test it because there's no data for appointment right now. Paste over here. What I'm going to do right now is 1 hour before. Save it, and now make edits to this email. And we're good to go. We're gonna publish it, save it. Now we're gonna try an email. Let's go to this workflow, go to execution logs, and see this contact has been enrolled into this workflow. And if you go to the builder, you can see that one contact is being waiting over here. This action will get triggered 24 hours before the actual meeting. It is exactly 24 hours before the meeting time. And now let's see what email we have got. So we've got this email. Hi Mohammed, because was my first name. Your appointment has been confirmed Monday, January 26, 7 p.m. This is the meeting link. Regards from Hasnan. So everything it looks fine. So this is how calendar booking and reminders work in GoHighLevel. And one more thing that we need to focus on, that why this name is written over here. Why this name is a username. This name is a username because for this calendar, the user that has been added to this calendar is Hasnan. So whenever the appointment is booked, that contact will be assigned to Hasnan. As you can see, this is the appointment, this is the contact, the owner of the contact is Hasnan. So that's the reason in the email we are seeing the name Hasnan. So now you have seen how GoHighLevel calendars connect with workflows and how automations actually run behind the scenes. Before using this with real clients, always test the booking yourself and make sure every message, reminder and notification fires correctly. In the next video, we'll go deeper into advanced calendar workflows and real client use cases. If you're here to learn GoHighLevel the right way, you know what to do.